Greetings to everyone. Welcome to Math Plus Everything Journey. In this video, I have three problems. All three problems, if you notice these three problems, they have in common distributive properties, right? So we can start on the distributive property. So we're just going to go into the first problem. It has 5 times the group of 6x minus 9y plus 7. First, I'm going to do this the expanded way. We know that when we have the 5, we got to multiply with the 6x, the 9y, and the 7. So what that tells you, the number that outside the parentheses, we have to multiply it with everything inside the parentheses. I'm going to put a little x here for starters. So let's start. I have my 5, and I'm going to multiply that with my 6x. Not only my 6, but my 6x. I'm going to take my 5 again and I multiply with my 9y. Put my minus, my 5 times my 9y. Not only my 9, but my 9y. And again, I'm going to put my sign, my plus. And I'm going to take my 5 again. And I'm going to multiply it with my 7. So there we have it. This is expanded form, right? So I have my 5, I multiply with my 6, my 5 multiplied with my 9y, my 5 multiplied with my 7. Let's go ahead and simplify this. 6 times 5 is 30x. 5 times 6x is 30x. Then I'm going to put my minus sign. Then I have my 5 times 9y, 5 times 45y. Then I put my sign. Then I'm going 7 times 5, or 5 times 7 is 35. Now we have this expression 30 minus 45y plus 35. Is there anything we could do with this? No, we cannot. These are unlike terms. These are unlike terms, so you cannot combine it. So that's your new expression. So when we have 5 multiplied by the group of 6x minus 9y plus 7, then your new expression or equivalent expression is 30x minus 45y plus 35. Those are unlike terms and you cannot combine them. You leave as is. So let's look at the next problem. It's negative 9 multiplied by the group of 5j minus k. We're going to do our same thing. We're going to put our negative 9, multiply, right? Our negative 9, the negative comes with it. Negative 9, we do not just take the 9, we take the whole negative 9. Multiply with 5j. Then here we can put our minus sign. This minus goes there. And again, I'm going to do my negative 9. And I'm going to do that with k. Multiply with k. So now we can say negative 9 times 5j is negative 9545j. Just don't say negative 95 and forget your negative. Remember the negative. And we're going to bring down our sign. Here, if you notice, we have a negative 9 and we're going to multiply by a positive k. So you could do a parentheses again, or you could leave it as is, right? So I'm going to multiply that. So I'm going to minus 9k. For this, I'm not yet done with this. I could leave my answer like this, right? Or I could go one more step. I could bring down my negative 45j, and then I have a negative and a negative. So it's like negative 1 multiplied by negative 9k is a positive 9k. And I'm going to just draw a line here. Probably have to do. Remember, a negative multiplied by a negative is equal to a positive. Let's move on to the other problem. Here we have 2 multiplied by the group of 6c plus 3. Then over here we have plus 4c. Now your 2 is only going to be distributed to your 6c and your 3, not your 4c. Your 4c is not in the parentheses, so you cannot multiply the 2 by the 4c. Let's go ahead and expand. So we got 2 times 6c is 2 times 6c plus 2 times 3. Now we could bring our plus, and now we could bring down our 4c. Okay, let's go ahead and simplify this. 2 times 6 is 12c plus 2 times 3 is 6 plus bring down my 4c. So after doing that, I have 12c plus 6 plus 4. I have like terms. So I could combine them. So what my like terms are 12 and 4. So I could rewrite this. I could put 12c plus my 4c and then bring back down my c, 6. So I have 12c plus 4c is 16c. I'm running that space. 16c plus 6. And that's my answer. Thank you.